Check out this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: tow hooks, trip computer, mirror memory, cooled front seat, power steering, variable speed intermittent wipers, passenger airbag sensor, power passenger seat, and driver vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.